Hola! In Spain, on the day of the Epiphany, the wise men bring us presents if you've been good, but if you've been bad, you'll get this tasty, sweet coal for naughty kids, so it's worth being a little bit naughty. Let's get started. The ingredients are in the description below. And the first step is cracking our eggs, and we only need the whites. So we're gonna set the yolk aside. Now we add a little bit of lemon. And we're going to add our sugar little by little. Remember, this is powdered sugar so that the mix works. We add a little bit more and a bit more until we get this sort of cream all together. Now we add some coloring, some black one. Just a teaspoon would do the job. And again, we mix it by hand. And this color is right, a little bit like charcoal gray. Now we're only going to need 35 grams approximately, because the rest of the mix we can do 4 more portions of this coal. In the pot, we're gonna make our syrup. So we're gonna add 350 grams of sugar and a little bit of water, 110 milligrams. Mix it and bring it to the boils. I don't have a thermometer for food, so the trick is putting it in water, and if you can form a ball, that means it's ready. Now this is the most important step. We're gonna add the mix, we remove it from the fire, and then we mix it. It will go up, and then when you mix it, will go down, then back up again. And yeah, this is the moment when you have to pour it in this recipient with some baking paper. Now we're gonna leave it to cool off for approximately half an hour or a bit longer. See how puffy it is? It's really easy to break. You can just use your hands as I'm doing in this video. And yeah, just make some big pieces. Don't make it too small, otherwise it'll look like powder. That's the ideal size you're after. As you can see, it looks very interesting, original, and delicious. After all, it's not so bad to be a little bit naughty this Christmas to get your carbón de Reyes. So if you enjoyed this video and you want us to keep bringing on some more content, please subscribe and hit like. Feliz Año Nuevo. Happy New Year. Adiós.